Hello and welcome. Today we'll start with ordering in SQL. So let's jump into our editor. As we can see here, we've got a table named DPT_EMP, which has got a couple of columns which are employee number, department number, from date and to date. Now, let us see all the records where the from date is given as 1st January 1990 and above. So we simply run the query. And as you can see, we've got a couple of results here. However, if we want to sort these results based on from date in ascending order, the only thing that we need to do is add an order by clause. So as you can see here, we've got an order by from date. So when we run this query, we will see that all the records are ordered by from date in ascending order. Please note that we don't actually have to write ascending in any way because the default order is ascending. So if we want to do it in descending order, we simply make a difference here by claiming that we'll put a DESC keyword, right? So when we run this query here, we will see that, for example, we did the descending sort from to date. So the to date is sorted in descending order as before. So I hope this was clear to understand.